Hello guys, wish you all a very happy and safe Holi. On the occasion of Holi today I am gonna make one of the famous recipe called gujia. And Holi is incomplete without it. Today we'll make suji mawa gujia. And I have also said instant mawa recipe in this video, so watch till the end without skipping. And I hope you will enjoy this. Hello everyone, I am Resma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Resma's Kitchen. Today I baked with a new recipe and I hope you will like it. And if you like my video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Resma's Kitchen. And also hit the bell icon so that you get the new video notifications first. So without any wasting of time, let's get started. First of all, I am gonna make instant mawa. For that, in a heated non-stick pan, I am gonna putting 2 tablespoons of ghee. You can also use oil instead of it. Into this adding half cup of milk. Stir it well and wait for a boil. After boiling, I am putting 1 cup of milk powder. You can take milk powder from any brand. Make sure to keep on stirring and add the milk powder in batches for avoiding the lumps. Even after you have added all the milk powder, keep on stirring on low flame. We will cook this until the moisture evaporates. Here you can see the mixture is starting to leave the sides of the pan. Here the mawa is ready in just 5 minutes. Let's go into the next process. For making the dough, 3 cups of refined flour goes in first. Now I am putting just a pinch of salt. Now we'll put 1/4 cup of oil or ghee. Now I am going to rub the oil with the flour really very well. Take little bit of flour and press. It forms shape. It's perfect. Now we'll add little water at a time and form this to a stiff dough. Make sure you don't add lots of water, then the gujia won't get as crispy as you want to be. Here the dough is formed. This is a very stiff dough. Now coat the dough with oil. And now I am gonna cover it and keep this for about 10 to 20 minutes to rest. Meanwhile, let's make filling. In a heated pan, I am putting 2 tablespoons of ghee. You can also use oil if you want to. After heating into this, adding half cup of semolina or rava. Just cook it on low flame about 2 to 3 minutes. It's changed the color, so I am gonna get this out in a plate. In the same pan, I am adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. Here I have some dry fruits like cashew, almonds, pistachio or raisins. Now putting in a pan and roast it for about 40 to 50 seconds. It changed the color. Now get this out in a plate. In the same pan, I am putting 1 cup of desiccated coconut. Stir it on low flame and also roast it for about 40 to 50 seconds. Now it's done. Let's go into the next process. Here I have 1 cup of powdered sugar in a bowl. Into this I am gonna add all the prepared things. Now gonna put instant mawa which we have prepared earlier. Half a teaspoon of green cardamom powder. Some raisins. And mix everything really well. Now it's done. 10 minutes have been complete. Again knead this dough for a minute. Now divide the dough and make small balls out of this dough. Take a portion and I am going to roll it. Not too thin, not too thick. Roll it as evenly as possible. Now keep a roll dough on gujia mold and add the stuffing. Don't fill it too much. Now apply water to the edges properly. Gently press the gujia mold and hold it for about 10 seconds. Now stretch and remove the excess dough. And get this. Now keep it on a plate. Similarly, we'll make rest of the gujias. Then guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe and give thumbs up if you like the video. Here you can see I have prepared all the gujias. Now these are ready to fry. Here the oil is heating up on low flame. Now let's dip them in the oil. Make sure while frying the gujias, the temperature is always set low to medium. Turn them gently. It's really superb and delicious recipe. Once try it out and I'm damn sure you will love this. Now we have almost there is to fry to golden. Here you can see they have beautiful color. Now I'm gonna get this out in a plate. So this was my recipe for delicious gujia and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. So I must say, once try it out and let me know how it goes for you. Then guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe and press the bell icon as well, so that you get the new video notifications first. I hope to see you soon with one more recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, take care, bye bye.